Hello friends, today is the day 33 of my habit resetting challenge. I realized something today. I don't need to tell anyone I did this. Before this challenge, I need accountability from others. I lack needs, I lack motivation that kept me stuck. This morning, I wake up at 5:50 a.m., then brush my teeth, put cold water on my face, drink a glass of hot water, do 10 push-ups, 1 minute plank, read one Quran
Wahil
verses,
Farah.
and finally 2-minute run. Real discipline is quiet, even if no one knows you. I stopped proving, I started living. I don't need validation, I need alignment. This is the real growth for me. This is all for day 33. See you on day 34 morning. Allah Hafiz.